enjoying the video. Just wanted to take a second to remind you about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away one of these, a Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro strobe light. Really handy for flying at night, keeps you within legal limits of the 3 statute miles of visibility. So be sure to check the description and figure out the details, but I can tell you in a nutshell, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below on this video. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick somebody who has commented on one of these videos, and I'll get in touch with you and send you a brand new one of these out. So back to the video. Thanks for